Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you. So my name is Amaka, and this channel is all about hair, beauty, cooking, and lifestyle. So if you really like it, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on the notification bell. In that way you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. So this video is all about my package I got. I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you guys what I got.
You always want what you can't have, and what you have you can. But still my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it. Well, how do you know how you will feel when everything changes?
So guys, these are the new Makari line I ordered. So I told you guys I was using this once before, but my problem with that is I love it, you know, they are really good, but I've actually used it like 2 years plus now, these ones. But the thing there is that I use it with other moisturizers. So I made a detailed video in my other video, so if you haven't checked that out, please go and check it out. So I ordered this product during the Christmas period. So this one, it's skin reviving body lotion infused with glutathione and collagen and vitamin C. I got it as a set because I'm trying to change from this one. I like Makari, so that's why I wanted to just check another product I like in Makari line as well, rather than going out of Makari, because I've been using Makari like 5 years plus, and it has been working well for my skin, so I just wanted to change. So, and this is their new line, like this is their newest addition to their line, and it's crystal blue. So so I got it as a set. So the set comes with this the lotion, the soap, and the serum, and face moisturizer. So the set comes like this. So so I got it like two sets, so I don't want to use one and then I'll be a bit quicker to jump into something else, or you know, so that's why I got it too. So yeah, this is the lotion. I'm going to open it for you guys to see. So this is how it is. It's just similar with this one. This is the one I've been using before, and it has the original seal here. Anytime you're buying, I think Makari, I don't know for other creams, I think other creams have that as well. Anytime you're buying creams, especially from Makari, you need to make sure they have that original seal. And as I always advise people, it's better for you to buy online, so you can be rest assured. It might take a bit process and all that, but at the end it's worth it, because you're getting original and worth as well for your money. So this is how this one, see how it is. Just open it new. So oh my god, it smells so nice. It smells really nice. So Blue Crystal Collection heals and revitalizes skin with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural botanicals, restoring its radiant glow, stimulates cells renewal, tightens the appearance of skin, clarifies skin tone, and boosts your skin, silky and younger looking, and it's also smooth texture, brightens tone, and renew skin luster. And this is comparable, as they said, to the classic collection, and it has 2 strengths of that classic collection. So the next thing I have here is the serum. I'm just going to show you guys as well. I think it just looks similar to the previous one, to this one. It just looks similar to this one. So this is how it looks. Smells divine. So it says apply on freshly cleansed and toned skin. Drop a small amount onto entire face and neck 2 times daily. Allow dry and follow with skin type appropriate moisturizer. So this is the serum. Oh, this smells amazing. So the next thing is the face moisturizer, and this is how the face moisturizer looks. I forgot to tell you guys, this is just the same with this one. This is a 500 ml, this one, and it's the same thing with this one as well. So it's just the same with this, exactly like everything, the same size. And the serum is 50 ml. So the moisturizer is 50 ml as well. Guys, like, I have to say, their packaging looks like really amazing. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, I just like the packaging. This is so good. They don't have that strong scent. Like, it smells so good. It smells really good. So this is 50 ml as well. So finally the soap, and the soap looks like this, and it just exactly like the other one, the previous one as well. This is the one I was using before, so I just wanted to try something I can use like up to 4 times. That's actually my main aim of wanting to change. I want something that I can use like up to 4 to 5 times a week. I was using this one like 2 to 3 times a week, and I wanted something I can use up to 4 to 5 times a week. Yeah, this is really good. Blue Crystal Ultimate Intense. So this is the soap, and this is how it looks. It smells so nice. Guys, this product is like, I can't just tell because I'm just new to it. I've now tried it before, and I'm going to try it. So the thing is that I'm going to try it for 4 weeks to 8 weeks, and then I'll come back and tell you guys my honest opinion on it, because I can't really tell, because I've not used it before. Blue Crystal Ultimate Intense Skin Reviving Body Lotion with glutathione, collagen, and vitamin C. Yeah. It sounds good. It sounds good. So when you want to compare it with the other products, which the classic line, this one has lower strength of like toning your skin, lower strength. That's actually why I went for this one, because I feel like this one has a bit higher strength. That's why I use it like 2 times or highest 3 times a week with my moisturizer. I showed it in my previous video. So yeah, guys, that's that's all. I can't really say much on it until I use it, which I just like to use my cream just like that. So I'm going to use it like this without adding it anything, any glycerin or anything. Let me know if you have any question. Let me know if you like this video, and I'm going to come back and then I will tell you my honest opinion on this. I got it up to 2 sets just to make sure I use it well enough, yeah, before I can tell if it's really good for me or not. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know the cream you're using, if it's working for you, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.